Raghu was a humble man with calloused hands and a heart full of dreams. For 10 years, he worked as a personal driver for the Khannas, a wealthy family in Delhi. Mr. Khanna, a stern businessman, treated Raghu like a machine. He barked orders, insulted him in front of guests, and deducted money for the smallest mistakes. Raghu tolerated it all, because he needed the money for his mother's medicines and his younger sister's education. But one rainy evening changed everything. It was the night of a big party at the Khanna's mansion. Raghu had been on his feet since morning, driving family members to salons, picking up guests, and even cleaning the garden chairs. At 9 p.m., exhausted and drenched, he parked the car and waited for Mr. Khanna to call him. Just then, Khanna stormed out of the mansion, his face red with anger. "You idiot!" he yelled. "Where were you? I told you to wait outside the door, not by the gate. Because of you, I got drenched in front of my guests." "I'm sorry, sir," Raghu said humbly. "I just..." "Shut up. You're fired. Get lost." Raghu's eyes stung. "Sir, please, I've worked for you for 10 years. I need this job." But Mr. Khanna had already turned his back. No warning, no salary, no gratitude, just humiliation. Raghu walked away that night, soaking wet, not from rain anymore, but from tears and fury. 3 years later, the Khannas were now facing financial trouble. Mr. Khanna's company had lost several contracts, and their luxurious lifestyle was slipping through their fingers. One of their prized properties, a farmhouse on the city outskirts, was now up for sale. One afternoon, as the family sat in their drawing room arguing about money, the real estate agent called. "A buyer is ready to purchase the farmhouse," he said. "He's offering cash. Young man, looks successful. Said he'll visit today." When the buyer arrived, he stepped out of a sleek black Mercedes. "Mrs. Khanna peeked through the curtain and gasped. "That face looks familiar." The man entered, dressed in a tailored suit. Confident, calm, powerful. It was Raghu. At first, Mr. Khanna didn't recognize him, but then Raghu smiled. "Good evening, sir. Remember me?" Mr. Khanna's face drained of color. You're. Yes. The driver you fired without notice. The man you insulted in front of your guests. The one you thought would never rise." Mrs. Khanna clutched the sofa arm. Mr. Khanna straightened up. "So what? You came here to show off?" "No," Raghu replied. "I came here to buy your farmhouse. And to let you know how wrong you were." The backstory of his rise. After being fired, Raghu didn't waste time on self-pity. He worked double shifts as a delivery driver during the day and a cab driver at night. With some savings and help from a kind customer, he joined a business training program for free. He learned fast. E-commerce, logistics, marketing. He started a small delivery business with just one second-hand van. His honesty and punctuality won hearts and clients. Within 2 years, his fleet had grown to 15 vehicles. A partnership with an international shipping company pushed his business into high gear. He earned respect, money, freedom, and now, he returned not to beg, but to buy. Full circle. As Raghu signed the papers to purchase the farmhouse, Mr. Khanna looked at him with a strange mixture of pride and regret. "I underestimated you," he said quietly. Raghu stood. "That was your mistake. But thank you, your cruelty was my fuel." He walked out with dignity, leaving behind silence, and a family who had lost more than just a property. Moral of the story: never look down on those who serve you. Today's worker might be tomorrow's boss. And revenge, sometimes it's best served not in anger, but in success.